No, this is originally an Air Force plane, but the Navy, the Air Force stopped using them because they could only do so much. They were a really light fighter. They didn't have all the radar and stuff that you needed for the bigger planes.
In the ordnance?
Yeah, but other countries used them. And then the Navy realized in the early 80s that this is really good for training.
Okay.
Because training them how to train for Top Gun.
Yeah.
So that movie Top Gun.
F-18, 118, or F-18s they use now, right?
Yeah, they still use these. This is VFC 111 is from down in Florida. There's VFC 13 who flies these too, and Fallon, which is the new
Nevada?
Yeah, Fallon, Nevada, which is the new Top Gun headquarters. It used to be Miramar.
Oh, not
It used to be Miramar. There's a couple of them. There's a couple of them down there. Yeah.
It's Florida though.
The Sundowners are. I don't remember what base it is, but that's where VFC 111's based.
Oh, okay.
And this is an actual plane. They still have this plane still flies. But there's some here in Fallon, Nevada, and they look like this. Remember the movie Top Gun, the black plane? That was one of these. That's the exact same plane. They just called it a MiG-28, but
Gotcha.
yeah. Northrop. It's a good plane and it's really maneuverable, but it's just light. It's a light fighter. Can't do everything. But this thing's like a rocket ship. It's an awesome. It's old and ugly, but it's one of the fastest ones I have.
Yeah.
Downwind passes are scary. Pushing over 130. Hard to see. This is in the wind. That's into the wind. Definitely high performance. I think this was my first bigger EDF.
FMS?
It's free wing, but I have an FMS fan in it. The FMS fan changes it so much better now.
You got burners, you got the adaptive lights in there.
Yeah. That's the first one I put it in. Yeah.
How'd you guys do with the, I heard it was pretty good,
Oh, the show, yeah, it was great. It was really good, yeah. We had a lot of fun. One of the guys that flies here was there. 2 guys, 3 guys. You know Todd Gallen?
Todd Galland, yeah.
Yeah, he flew with us.
Oh, right.
He brought his big planes out to show, and then he flew his P-51 with me in my Red Tail. And then Ken Leung, you know Ken?
Yeah, oh yeah, Ken.
He flew his Red Bull.
Oh, that's right. He was telling me he was going to take
flew his Red Bull plane.
gas around.
And then Tom Vesey, I don't know if you know
Tom
him.
Vesey is
Turbine guy.
Yeah, it's Eric's Southwest pilot.
Yeah, he's pilot, yeah. He flew his turbine smoke system for us.
F-16?
No, it was something else.
Oh,
it was a different plane. I forget what it's called. It's not an actual plane, it's just a sport plane.
Gotcha.
Really good smoke system.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really good. He made a happy face.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
So was that calm, huh?
It was windy, but it was really thick.
Oh, high. It was probably,
Yeah, really thick smoke, so it just lingered. But he did a happy face. But no, it went really good. Lots of fun. Lots of people came and watched. And I flew with some younger kids. The youngest kid that we flew was 7. The whole point was just to show people what we do and that it can be fun. We had planes from all different price ranges, so it wasn't just the high dollar expensive stuff. And actually showing the kids like to do it too, so it was fun. We flew on our planes, the foamy planes flew on right by the terminal.
Oh.
We flew on the taxiway, the small planes like this, and then the turbines and Ken's plane flew off the main runway. The right one, 13 right. Right there. Kind of drop. That's a downdraft. Normally it doesn't drop like that. Yeah, no, we had fun. It was good. Lots of
That's a big area, man. That's a lot of people.
Well, it's free, so I mean,
San Jose.
when it's free, anytime you say free, people